Today, I'm going to show you how to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about why you might want to delete blocked contacts. Sometimes you want to clean up your contact list or just want to make sure you won't accidentally reconnect with someone you've blocked. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through the process. Start by opening your WhatsApp application. This process works for both Android and iPhone. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android users or go to settings in the bottom right corner if you're on iPhone. Then select account and type on privacy or simply find the privacy button. Here you need to scroll down to blocked contacts. Here you will see a list of your blocked contacts. To delete a blocked contact, just tap and hold on the contact you want to remove. On Android, a menu will pop up, select Unblock. For iPhone users, swipe left on the contact and tap on Unblock. Now, keep in mind that unblocking doesn't remove them from your contact list. If you want to completely delete them, go to your phone's contact app. Find the contact you want to delete. Now, simply click on Edit and click on Delete Contact. Confirm the deletion. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a blocked contact on WhatsApp. Just remember, if you decide to unblock them later, they'll be able to message you again. Always be cautious with your privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.